Rick Auto. Check out this crappy weather. It has not stopped raining for days. Check out this tent I bought. This thing didn't even last 2 days. The whole wind straight destroyed it. Look at that. Look at this thing. It's full of water. That's all rainwater right there and right there. But I just left them here because this is actually helping hold this whole thing down. But anyways, we're gonna be searching this crashed 2011 Ford Crown Victoria police interceptor. We're gonna search it for goodies, weapons, equipment. We're gonna try to find that biscuit. Love searching wrecked vehicles because that's where you find the most goodies. I want to give a special thanks to World War Rising for sponsoring this video. Download World War Rising for free using the link below. Have you ever wanted to launch an offensive against your enemies and lead your base to victory? Well, now you can in this epic strategy game that pans from World War I to the modern combat era. Play as a highly decorated general and control the land, sea, and air with historically accurate war machines and weapons like the World War I tanks and Apache helicopters. How cool is that? You train your troops and deploy them against your enemies. Build a strong base that evolves through a century of combat technology. You can explore terrains to discover treasures, accomplish missions. You can collect components to create massive weapons. Yikes. Join alliances or stay independent. Play your own style. Do you have what it takes to win? Find out. World War Rising. Download for free using the link below. Okay, let's get started with a search. Let's take a look around. It's got a pretty good battery right here. Some headlight flashers. I got to cut off LED flashers. Let's see if the other ones on the other side. Right here, nice. They're probably red and blue, hopefully. All right, so let's start a search. Let's take a quick look inside. This is what I'm mostly excited about right here. This long Troy center console. I've been looking for one of these forever. I'm so juiced it's here. And look at this. The radio is down here instead of up there. Wait, there's a tape in here. Juice Man. Juice Man. I never heard of that rapper. Okay, looks like they're running some type of code 3. I've never seen this before. This is very interesting. There's a little space right here. I could put one of my patches right here. Cool. And custom signals eyewitness. I have no idea what it is. My only guess is a radar. Light bar cables. And this is some sort of a headset. Hello, this is technical support. How can I help you? Yes. Yes. Too bad. And wanted poster. Oh. Dear goodness. Oh, check this out. Look at my invention. I could not find a mag light holder, so I invented my own. I got this idea from Drama Task Force. Some of you OG subscribers will remember him. So anyways, I got a mop holder and I stuck it to a bracket. Something like this. Look, bam. Ain't that an awesome idea? Equipment repair request. Suspect kicked off backseat camera. Damn criminals. Whoa! What the heck was that? I just seen something dash under my feet. Kitty cat meow! I think it was a cat. Kitty cat meow! Hey, look, water. Really wish I could know what happened in all these cars. I don't know, I'm just curious like that. Keys, okay. Handcuff keys. Okay, I've been trying to figure out how to unlock it, and look what I found. Here is the camera. This is the camera that was in the report stating it got kicked off. It looks like it's pretty messed up right there, so it was definitely taken off by force. Arbitrator. Desk Jodo. Oh hey, look, it's me! Flex fuel vehicle. Please be a biscuit, and I'm not talking about bread unless it's a donut because I'm kind of hungry. That sounds good right now. Thank you everybody out there wishing for me to find a biscuit. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much. What the heck am I looking at right now? Random car parts. Oh, what is this? Got my gloves on. Like a bunch of little Easter eggs. It's like lights that go with it. Go with it like this. The lights go in here. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the rest of these things. See what the hell is that? Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah, kitty, kitty. I told you. I knew I wasn't tripping. Yeah, kitty, kitty. Oh, you ain't a kitty. You're a little. What the heck? Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Oh my goodness, let me. Hey, puppy, puppy. Hey, puppy, puppy. Come here, puppy. Look at you. What the hell? Hey. What's your name? Oh my goodness, look at you. You got all this. What is this? What the heck? Oh, you look scared and cold. Oh my goodness. What are you? Maybe you have some food or something. Hey, 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 where'd it go? Here, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Come here. It's okay, don't be scared. Yeah, come here. That's a good boy. Or what are you anyways? You a boy? Oh, you're a girl. Come here. You are wet and cold. Oh my goodness. This poor thing. Oh, did you see that? Oh my goodness. Oh, this thing is littered with fleas. Don't even want to look at me. What's your name, puppy? You want to be my District 76 canine officer? I'm gonna walk around real quick, see if I can find his owner. But from the looks of it, it looks like she's been homeless for days. This poor thing. A lot of animals get displaced during bad weather. So hopefully I can find the owner here somewhere. But I've never seen a dog around here. I always see cats.
Criminal, this is your last chance. Step out of the vehicle now. I will release the canine.
Come on, puppy. There's a criminal. Come on, let's go get him. Let's go get him. Come on, let's go get him. Come on, let's go get him. Come on, get down. Come on, funny man's getting away. Let's go. Come on, come on. All right, puppy. Attack! Attack! Attack the funny man. Attack him. He's a bad man. Oh, it's starting to rain. Guys, I am super excited. I gotta show you guys this. I have to show you this. Look, we got the TAs working. Look how cool is that? The TAs are working now. The traffic advisors are working. My light bar is 100% complete. All right, puppy, you want to call it in? You want to go ahead? You spot criminals? Go ahead, go ahead. Call it in. Here you go. Say it. Say something. Come on, puppy. You hungry? Let's go get you some food. Okay. I'm gonna take the puppy home. I'm gonna give her a bath. I'm gonna feed her. I'm gonna make some flyers. I'm gonna take a picture of her. I'm gonna make some flyers. I'm gonna post it all over the place so I can find her rightful owners. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. She's shaking. She's probably really cold. And yeah, I think I'm done donking around over here at the shop. And guys, thank you for watching, and thanks to World War Rising for sponsoring this video. Remember, you guys could download the game with the link down below, and you'll catch me in the game, and you might even catch Lucky. That's what I'm calling her, because she's lucky she found me. Huh, Lucky? You like that name? Yeah. All right, guys, remember, subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So the funny man is still in the porta potty. He's refusing to come out. Like, dude, who's gonna get tired, me or you? Like, seriously. Like, I I don't know what to do anymore, man. I don't know if I should smoke him out of here. I might even set the thing on fire. I don't know. If you guys have suggestions or something, I can't do this anymore. It's driving me crazy.